Hey everybody, Mike here. So this is a tool that I've been wanting for quite some time, and because I just had a roof put on my house, the roofers kind of forced my hand to go ahead and get it now, which may not be such a bad thing because I've really desperately needed one of these in my shop for a while. If you've never seen one of these before, it's a magnetic sweeper that you can use to pick up any kind of metal that's on your floor as long as it's conductive. So it's a pretty easy concept of how this thing works. When you first get this thing out of the box, there's very little assembly required. All you've got to do is put your wheels on, which just takes a couple adjustable wrenches, and then your handle here, which has a carriage bolt and a wing nut on the back side. There's all kinds of these things on the market, and they come in all shapes and sizes for the most part, but all I really felt I needed was something that had a little bit smaller footprint and had an adjustable handle. So when you're looking at this thing from the front, you basically got 18 inches right here from box end to box end, but you can also pick this up in a 24-inch model and a 36. And then you've also got an adjustable handle here as well. So if you turn your set screw right here, the handle will fully extend, and you can get quite a bit of reach on this handle as well. I found that the handle is most comfortable for me. It's not fully extended, but if you're a little bit taller, or I suppose if you're trying to get somewhere and you need more reach, you've got that option there as well. Now basically all you're gonna do is roll this thing across the ground, and you can set your gap here underneath your box end. It comes default at the lowest setting, which is 0.8 inches. By loosening up your nuts here on each side of the axle, you could slide this box up and get 2 inches of clearance underneath your box if you decide to do so, which is what I think I'm gonna do here as well. Now once you've ran this thing across your floor or driveway or wherever it is you think you need to pick up the metal, all you do is pull up on this handle like this, and that disengages your magnet, and whatever was picked up by the magnet will drop down, and you can sweep that up and discard that in whatever waste bin or scrap bin you've got laying around. As soon as you put your handle back down, you're back running and good to go again. Pretty simple design. It's something like I said, I've been wanting for a while. I've already been making laps around the house trying to clean up after my roofers and all the nails they left across the ground. I've probably already picked up a couple pounds worth of nails, to be honest, that they left behind. And then once I'm done with that project, I'll have something here in the shop that I can use just around here to kind of clean up after myself and save my back, and also have a peace of mind knowing I got all the metal up off the floor. That's all I've got for you on this one today, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. I hope that was somewhat helpful for you, and we'll catch you on the next one.